In this video, we're going to take a look at the iFootage PC-01 clamp. This is a clamp that you can use to attach magic arms and other video accessories to a light stand or a tripod or really anything else. They also kind of work on desktops, but they don't open up crazy thick and they don't have a super good right angle grip, so they won't work on every flat surface. They have this mechanism that allows it to tilt so it can get a better grip on a flat surface and not just on a round surface, but I found that they do work the best on round surfaces. iFootage gives you 3/8 inch with anti-rotation locator holes, and these are perfect for use with the Spider Crab system. Check out my other videos for a review of the Spider Crab's magic arm and their support rod that works perfectly with these. But you can also use these with other video accessories that have a 3/8 inch pin. iFootage also includes this 3/8 to 1/4-20 adapter, so you can screw that in and then you can use pretty much any standard camera gear with this clamp. This clamp is $40, which feels pretty expensive for it. Honestly, the Manfrotto super clamps are just as nice as these and maybe a little bit more versatile, but these are smaller and they give those anti-rotation pins, so it kind of just depends on what you're needing the clamps for. But if you're going for the iFootage gear system, which I highly recommend, you definitely want this clamp because you're going to get those anti-rotation pins. Otherwise, I would recommend saving a little bit of money and buying the Manfrotto super clamp system because it's going to be a little bit more flexible for your general photography needs. They are a little bit bigger, they're not quite as compact as these iFootage clamps are, but overall I really recommend the iFootage PC-01 clamp. I have links for this clamp and all the other iFootage gear I like to use in the description below. Also, if you have any other questions about this iFootage clamp, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it.